2010 17-inch MacBook Pro LCD assembly replacement. Start off by shutting down and flipping over your MacBook. Remove the cover that's fastened with 10 Phillips head screws. Remove the 7 Phillips head screws that are short first, starting in the top left and going around the contour of the MacBook. Now the 3 long Phillips head screws. Lift and remove the cover. Begin by disconnecting the battery first. LCD assembly removal. Disconnect the ISIGHT cable. Gently pry your screwdriver underneath and get a good grip on the cable. And just pull it to your left. There might be a small plastic safety clip connected to it. Go ahead and remove that. Remove 2 covers, one that's covering the Bluetooth and one that's covering the ISIGHT bracket. We'll be disconnecting the Bluetooth antenna first. Go ahead and pry underneath it with your screwdriver, gently popping it up and out of its socket. You can now disconnect the Bluetooth data cable. Now let's remove the 2 Phillips head screws that are holding in the ISIGHT camera bracket. Once those 2 screws are out of the way, we can go ahead and remove the bracket. Let's disconnect the LVDS cable next. Gently pry up on the latch lock. Now that it's unlocked, you can pull it back and it'll slide out of the socket. Now let's remove the 2 Phillips head screws that are holding in the LVDS bracket. The second screw you can unscrew, but leave it in the bracket. This will be easier to track it. Remove the bracket. Go ahead now, lift and open up the MacBook and hang it over the table ledge. Remove the 3 T6 screws that are holding in the left hinge. Remove the 3 T6 screws that are holding in the right hinge. You can now gently pry upwards and remove the LCD assembly. LCD assembly reinstallation. Go ahead and place the assembly in. Fasten the assembly with 1 middle T6 screw on each side. This will allow the LCD assembly to be aligned properly. Make sure that you're not jamming in the Bluetooth antenna cable. It's the blue cable. Go ahead and reinstall the 4 remaining T6 screws. Lift, flip, close the MacBook. Put it into position. Now let's reinstall the LVDS hinge. Make sure that the LVDS cable is underneath the hinge. Now secure it with 2 Phillips head screws. The one screw we left in the hinge, and then the next screw that's part of the LVDS cable. Go ahead and reconnect the LVDS cable, gently sliding it into the socket. Be very careful when you're doing this, as you can damage the socket. Go ahead and lock the LVDS cable. Do not touch any of the components with the screwdriver. Reinstall the ISIGHT cable bracket. Place it in, making sure that the ISIGHT cable is underneath the bracket. Now secure it with 2 Phillips head screws. Make sure that the cable loop is looped through and secure onto the bracket. Make sure to loop through the Bluetooth antenna cable as well. Go ahead and reconnect the Bluetooth antenna by holding it over the socket and pressing it in. Now reconnect the Bluetooth data cable. Trace down and tuck in the ISIGHT camera cable. You can now reconnect the ISIGHT camera cable. Go ahead and gently slide it into the socket. Place the covers back on, one over the ISIGHT cable, one over the Bluetooth, and one over the ISIGHT cable bracket portion. You can now reconnect the battery. Gently slide it into the socket. Look down and get a better angle, as you need to make sure that this goes in correctly. Place the cover back on. Reinstall the 3 long Phillips head screws first. Then reinstall the 7 short Phillips head screws. No resets are needed, you're all done.